Hello, my friends. The cloning has been successfully. Now, it's time for transplanting. To get started, I mixed up some soil with worm castings and mycorrhizae. Make sure to mix it up evenly. Add some mycorrhiza on the top where the plant gets placed. If your pot was lightly wet, you can easily take your plant out. Now, carefully spread out the roots and place the plant in the new pot. Of course, you can cut up the leaves on the bottom, so the stamp has more place to root. Now you can sprinkle a little bit of the mycorrhizae around the plant for the first few waterings. If you have some root activator, you can add in low dose too. Young plants absorb a bit of the water from the leaves, so spray a little amount of water on the fresh leaves too. It is better to find a little darker space for the young plant, so don't let him directly understand the strong light. Yeah, that's my way for transplanting a young plant. Hope you enjoyed the video and hope you step on my channel again. Goodbye.